Emma. 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 Excuse me. Emma.
Anden.
Listen, I have some questions to ask you.
That's
What was the robot doing this morning?
I was cleaning the floor
Yeah, why was it cleaning the floor?
because it wanted.
Why did the robot wanted to?
Yeah.
Who put all the mess on the floor?
I'm Yoni.
Yoni. You didn't put any of it on the floor?
I'm the robot cleaning up the cereal from Yoni was eating on the floor.
Yeah, okay. Did it clean up any of your mess, or you don't make a mess?
I don't make a mess. Yoni makes a mess. And the robot was cleaning up the cereal.
It cleaned up the cereal? So when you had cereal this morning, you didn't spill any on the floor?
No.
No. So would you say that most of the mess or all of the mess on the floor is from Yoni? Emma?
Please.
Yeah? So Emma doesn't make a mess, only Yoni. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yoni, come here. I want to ask you something. Yoni. Emma. What did you eat in school?
I'm gonna eat the applesauce.
Here, look at me. Emma, look at me.
Applesauce. I eat the applesauce. And they eat some French fries. And they eat some. And I drink some water. And I ask for more applesauce. And that's it. And I take a nap. And then I eat. And that's it.
You took a nap and you ate. Did you learn anything today?
I didn't have a nurse, and I didn't learn any. I learned person.
What'd you learn?
Person, no. I think I learned person.
You learned Parsha?
Also, Noah.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay. So you had a good time at school?
And when we went to but I'm ready to go get some movie.
Okay, Yoni, Emma said that you made all the mess on the floor this morning and the robot had to clean all the mess from you, that she didn't make any of it. Is that true?
No.
Who made the mess on the floor?
Me.
Just you, not Emma?
No.
Just you?
Yep. Do you see me or I?